description?
Yeah, I think that was him.
Straw hat, green jacket, black pants.
Shots fired, shots fired.
Copy, shots fired. 6286 Lemon Hill Avenue, shots fired.
Shots fired, shots fired. Let's...
Shots fired.
7-8 on hit.
Copy, 7-8 hit. Shots fired. Unit hit. Lemon Hill units to respond.
6-4, he is right now. He's on the other side of my car. He is west side apartment.
Copy, west side of the apartment.
Code 900.
Any unit to come to assist code 3.
He's hitting fences right now.
Hitting fences.
What direction?
It looks like he just went onto the second story of the apartment complex on the south side.
Second story on the south side, hitting fences.
We lost visual of him. We're gonna try and back out here.
Lost visual, trying to back out. Information North area units that are scanning. SAC PD has an officer down at
South and west. We're getting pointed south and west. Okay.
What's his description?
straw hat.
To your fucking shit. Shots fired. 7-8, shots fired. Shots fired. He's at the top of the stairs. Right there. Seven, 8 on the hit. Yep.
611, hell units to respond. Copy, west side of the apartment.
Code 900.
Yes, around code 3.
Can you see him? Okay. Is he hit?
Hitting fences.
What direction?
Second story on the south side, hitting fences.
What's his description?
Yeah, I think that was him.
Straw hat, green jacket, black pants.
Shots fired, shots fired.
Copy, shots fired.
Where'd he go? Where'd he go?
He's at the top of the stairs. Right there.
Shots fired, shots fired. Let's go. Oh, shots fired. Are you good?
Yep.
6'4" he is right now. He's on the other side of my car. He is west side apartment. Hey, watch your back, watch your back.